Good.
Yeah, here we have a Value Master 14-inch by 40-inch gap bed engine lathe. It appears to be unused. We think it may be a trade show model. We're not quite sure, but anyway, it's in really great shape. It does have a few little electrical issues. We'll get into that a little bit later here, but just want to show you that all the functions, they do appear to work fine. We have it powered up. We're going to just show you that it does run. Okay, so pull out the e-stop, press that button goes off, the coolant pump comes on, and just fire it up. We have an in-between speed right here. Also, this does include the Accurate 2-axis DRO right here. So, in one case, we can show you. This moves your apron. Okay. You put it in right here. This lever moves back and forth. Right. Brake works, foot brake. Put it in reverse here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just switch it to a higher speed just to show you. This will probably go 1800 RPM. It's really on the fast speed. Alright, so. Like I said, we tested it all the way to the lower speeds here. We're just going to go over to here's the low speeds right here. We'll put it on 64. Okay. Yeah. We tested the threading on here. There's your threading speed control. Okay. So now we have it on that speed. So it moves your apron also. So you got threading and inching. Alright. Just want to show you the basics here. This goes forward, backwards. So we'll shut the machine down here. Restop. Now I just want to show you that DRO operates very nicely here with the X and Z axis. There should be X and Y axis. In any case, when you move the scales on here, it does operate. So, okay, so yeah, just going to show you, here's the scales right here. Also included is a taper attachment in the back. It's usually extra. Has a nice little work light, adjustable coolant. This tailstock here, we checked it out. Everything works very nicely on this. Now included with this is you got some tools. All the tools that you need. There's the extra brake pads for the engine brake. The center tool post. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you what's going on here electrically. We bypassed this main switch here as described in the listing. We were only getting power on L2 and L3 and not on L1, so we did do a bypass on it. I don't know what's going on there, but you can easily change that out. Also, this has like an emergency shut-off. If you open this cover here, it's just missing a bracket, so we did bypass it. I don't think there's anything really wrong with the switch. It's just that there's a bracket here that comes up and hits that post right there. Also, this lathe cover right here, it's got a little dented up. Something hit the top of it, but it's basically just cosmetic right there, okay? Also, just want to show you real quick here, this light, the cable for the light, well, that metal jacket came off. You can replace that very easily also. But we checked all the electrics on it, the contactors, everything's good on this thing. It's a really nice lathe. Now included also is we have some other chucks for it and a backing plate. We got an extra cable right here. There's some nuts. There's some bolts for inside the concrete. Also, we found this in the DRO box. I don't know what this lever is for, but we're going to include it anyway. And that's really all we've got to say about it. It's a very, very nice lathe. And we thank you for looking at our product.